Media personality Daddy Freeze and popular preacher Pastor Jerry Eze finally meet in prison at Obi Cubana's 50th birthday party. The two men had been involved in an online drama before. Daddy Freeze, known for speaking his mind, once criticized Pastor Jerry Eze's miracle at a UK prayer conference. A video had gone viral of a young girl walking from a wheelchair, and Daddy Freeze called it a weak miracle. He even challenged Pastor Jerry Eze to raise the dead, mentioning celebrities like Mr. Ibu and Onyeka Uweno. This has sparked outrage reactions for Pastor Jerry Eze's fans, who follow his NSPPD New Season Prophetic Prayers and Declarations movement. They defended their pastor and said that the freeze was being disrespectful, but at Obi Cubana's big birthday bash, which had many famous and wealthy guests, something surprising happened. When Daddy Freeze saw Pastor Jerry Eze, he bowed his head and shook his hand. Pastor Jerry then smiled and even joked by calling him the persecutor of the body of Christ. The two ended up having a long, friendly chat. People online were shocked by the peaceful moment. Some said Pastor Jerry's presence made Daddy Freeze show respect. Others were just happy to see them talk things out without any drama. The moment quickly went viral and became one of the biggest highlights of the party. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to Naija News TV.